It's about key levels. At this moment, we will take a look on so many different examples of trend change point. At this moment, I will show you different examples on currency pairs, gold, oil, indexes, and other instruments. Let's start. This video will help you to understand deeply how you need to build it. I will show you many different examples how you need to build it, and how you can trade it. You will find in a blog when we will speak about entry-exit points. First, you need to learn how to build it. Your homework will be to find at least 20 such pictures, such key levels, and paint 20 pictures. Best will be if you draw it into your diary. If you want to get this knowledge without homework, it will be useful. It will be not useful. Trend change point. Let's start. Okay, first example will be on German DAX index. It's like it's example of entry which I took a few days ago. Take a look here. Also, it's here. Why this level is important? It is a high of 2018. Price dropped from this place so many pips, and first reaction mostly in such cases will be bounce, pullback, false breakout. There will be a different reaction, and it's okay for us to trade such patterns. It's important to trade such patterns. Another example of trend change point you can see on S&P 500 because take a look here. Sometimes this trend change point, price will not use it and price will not react on it. It will be something like here. Example here, price made deep pullback, and here when price broke it up, it became a mirror level. You need to understand, mostly these levels will be together. There will be not only like trend change points. Sometimes when situation breaks, you will see that like some key level become a mirror level, and it's okay. It's also good to trade. You don't need to separate them. This example of this price made deep pullback 1, 2, 3 month for 3 months. Another example for you on Australian index. We can open even a monthly chart. Take a look on this picture. It was 2017 high. It was 2017 high, and this is a first reaction on that level. Take a look here. It was this first reaction. 4,000 pips risk, and price drop 45,000. That means risk reward was 1 to 10. Risk and reward. That's why we should use such powerful places. Such powerful places you will not see like every few weeks, every few months, but when price will show to you it will be also important to use it in your trading. Okay, let's count here some really powerful places. Another example here, you can see the price close to this French 2007 high, and also it is the most important level on the chart which we can find, and with huge probability first reaction will be bounce or false breakout. When it's the best to trade, when price approach sharply to that level, it will be better to open such entry because probability of pullback will be far bigger. I don't like when price approach slowly. When we will speak about entry points, you will understand that when price builds such like a triangle, in that cases there will be with most cases there will be a break. That's why we will separate it when we will speak about entry exit points. Another example of trend change point will be here. DAX, where is Euro? Let's open Euro 50 index. Yes, Euro 50 index, and you can see it here. Powerful level here. And take a look on this first reaction. When price made false breakout and hit this level, after that sharp drop. Only 2 days. Yes, only 2 days. But if you would take this risk 1,000 pips, price drop in 3 days, in 2 days, 17,000. It means risk reward 1 to 17. And after that, this level became a powerful support, became a mirror level. Mostly, in most cases, some key level, first time when price will bounce from it, it will be level which we will trade like here. And when price break it, it becomes a mirror level. At this moment, it's resistant, and after that, it became a support. And after that, take a look on this powerful rise. Let's open some examples on currency pairs, because I think for you it's also important to see it on a currency pairs. currently it's hard to speak about it here. Sometimes you need to understand price will not come to that trend change point, a place where price made a deep, really deep pullback. Yes, sometimes that will happen, but in most cases, first reaction on such level will be a powerful pullback or a powerful drop. Another example here. When you build key level, how you need to build it? First, you need to build it by a tail of a candle. And this example, from this place, price made this drop, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13 month price started to drop 13 month, and first reaction you see, first reaction even here was such drop. From this place till this place it was 270 pips. If you open entry with proper stop loss above tail, you have 25 pips stop loss, 1 to 10. Even here, if you will open after retest, still you have stop loss 60 pips, even 450 pips. It's totally different number. Okay, go ahead and let's open another examples. Good example I saw a few trading days ago on British Pound Canadian. You can see it here. Example here, powerful level, powerful drop, and first reaction is also powerful drop. If you would open entry nearly such level, even with stop loss 50 pips, price drop 850 pips. Once more, friends, I will repeat it many times. How to open entries, free strategies you will get when we will speak about entry exit points. It will be in another blog. This blog only about key levels. You need to learn how to build it properly, because if you will not learn how to build it properly, you will not succeed. Also this example, trend change point on British Pound New Zealand. You can see that it's a places from which price made something really important, like here. Take a look here on this powerful drop, this level, first reaction, this level, first reaction. It's an example how you need to build it. First, always you need to use high of a candle, tail, and you should wait for first breakout like here. 90 pips stop loss, 500 pips drop, even 1 to 5 with such bigger risk. Such entries you will not see every day, but when you will see it, friends, believe me, when you will see it, there will be awesome rise or awesome drop. Another example for you, Australian Canadian. It's Australian New Zealand. Another example for you. Look on this level, and first reaction on this level. It's also a place from which price started this uprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. You need to understand, as more month price bounced from this level, and also as much pips it rose, it makes level more powerful. Like level from which price bounced for 1000 pips for half year, it will be more powerful like a level from which price bounced at 200 pips 1 month ago. A minimum which you need to take it is at least 200 pips. It's a minimum from which you can start your judgment, and you can start use it in your trading. Example on euro Swiss franc. You can see it here. Price close to this level. January 2017, 3 years ago, price bounced from this level. Also, it is trend change point. It is one of the most powerful levels which you can find. Friends, once more, we will speak about entry points, key levels. It's not all you need. You need also a confirmation, and you need to have a patterns like false breakout, bounce, and breakout. How to trade 3 of them, we will speak so soon in a blog about entry exit points. Okay, Euro Canadian. Another example for you. Here, you can see first reaction on this level was powerful uprise. Here was first reaction on this level, and it was 250 pips uprise. Also, friends, how you can use these levels and not forget it and not miss it. First, what you need to do, you need to learn how to set alerts on a graph. It will be additional video about TradingView, how you can use it. And first, I want to show you one tool which I personally use. It helps me not forget levels. It helps me not miss them. Example for you. Let's open some examples for you. It will be easier to use it in the future. Like gold. Take a look here. It's a place from which price started this price here. Stop this pullback and made this uprise. Started short-term uptrend. It's a trend change point. It's a place from which price made a pullback. That's why what for me will be the best. You can see here I have alert. If gold will hit this level, I will have notification. Why? Because here there are so many options how I can trade. If there will be sharp drop, I will open buy for first breakout. If price will break it down and fix below after pullback retest, I will open sell entry. About it, how to trade it in next box. That's why do not hurry up. That's why do not hurry up. That's all what I want to tell you. Friends, when you will have some questions about trend change point, you need to write it into our chat if you need some more examples. We will create a folder where you will have like 20 examples, how to build it, how to find on different instruments, like I showed to you on currency pairs, on indexes. Also we can find a stock, how price reacting on it. It works everywhere. It's also important how price approach to level before we open the positions. That's why it will be in block about entry exit point. Let's go to